Welcome to the Windows Club. If you need to enable or disable the Windows Defender firewall in Windows 10, this is the article to read. We would be sharing the link in the description section. The first method is using the Windows Security app. To do so, click on the Start button, select Settings, scroll down to Updates and Security, go to the Windows Security tab, click on Firewall and Network Protection, select Public Network, and you could use this switch to turn it off or on. Alternatively, you could press Windows plus R to open the Run window. Type the command Control Panel and hit Enter. Scroll down to Windows Defender Firewall. Then click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and you can change both the public and private network settings here. The third method is using the command prompt, rather the elevated command prompt. Type command prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt. Then go to this article and scroll down to the commands to turn the Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Let me copy it for you and paste it to the elevated command prompt. As you can see, a message popped up here, Windows Firewall is turned off. Tap to click or turn it on. And if I need to turn it on, simply copy paste this command. And it's back again. Alternatively, you could use the elevated PowerShell window as well. To open the elevated PowerShell window, type PowerShell in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. Then copy this command to disable the firewall and hit Enter. We get the message that the firewall has been disabled once again, and to enable it, use this command. I'll copy and paste it for you and hit Enter. This will enable the firewall again, though you would not get a specific prompt for it. In case you have any doubts, open the original article on the Windows Club and write your concerns in the comment section. We will surely reply to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.